Level 10, Proficiency. The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, on a quiet farmyard, a mother duck waited patiently for her eggs to hatch. One by one, 5 yellow ducklings emerged, bright and lively. But the last egg was unusually large, and from it came a grey, awkward creature. The other ducklings mocked him, and even the farm animals scorned him, calling him ugly. Lonely and heartbroken, the poor duckling wandered away. He lived through the harsh winter, shivering in the cold and longing for warmth and kindness. At last, spring arrived, and with it came a flock of swans gliding across the lake. The duckling watched them with awe, wishing he were as graceful as they. But when he gazed into the water, he saw his own reflection. He was no longer the awkward, grey creature of the past. He had grown into a magnificent swan, beautiful and proud. The other swans welcomed him with open wings, and at last, he found his true place in the world.